Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Sling TV subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your service is properly ended and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Sling TV website. Log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your account icon in the top right corner and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the subscription section where you can view details about your current plan and billing cycle. Step 4, look for the Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription option and click on it to start the cancellation process. Step 5, Sling TV may ask you to provide a reason for canceling. Select an appropriate option from the list or skip if it is optional. Step 6, review the cancellation details, including the date when your service will end. Your subscription typically remains active until the end of the current billing period. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by following all on-screen prompts and clicking the final confirmation button. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Sling TV. Save this email as proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.